Hey guys, welcome to another showcase today, and this is version 1.4 of my examine system. And there's been a few other things that have changed in version 1.4, is that I now have a highlight which you can choose, which is the text highlight, which you can see here that it shows the name of a knife, fish food, health box, and other things that would be in range if you choose to have it. You can choose not to have it, like in this case. You can choose to have an emission highlight as long as your object has a mesh renderer, or you can just have the standard text highlight depending on what you look at. Once you select an object, you can set the sound, so you could set multiple different sounds for different objects. Then you could still rotate around it, have the UI at the bottom, or in this case have it along the right hand side. I've added a cross button so you can get rid of the item otherwise. You can left click and you have inspection points which you can hover over and will give you more information if you choose to set them. You can make this I've just added a question mark as an example. You could make that a box, a light, anything that you want. Could be something like that. I've actually got a basic bit of interaction that when you left click on, if you have an object, this is my cardboard box, and here's another version of an inspect point. And this is, maybe we can remove this. If we left click on it, you can see that we can open the lid of the box, and then we've got a key inside. And am I a key? And where could it go? We'll left click and we'll essentially collect a key. This is all set up really nice and easily, and I've got a new controller which has refined some of the pieces. It's still got everything that you wanted in terms of initial zoom, the zoom range, the sensitivity of the zoom in and out of an object, the rotation speeds, the emission or the name highlight, the type of UI you want, how many inspection points you have, the interaction sound or the text information. And the way that you use inspection points is that you have them as children of the object and you place them wherever you want. You've got another script which is the examine inspect point. You can put details about it, or you can do an on click event, so when you left click it, it does something. So in the case of the cardboard box here, is that you've got the lid of the cardboard box. So the base of the cardboard box is something that we interact with. Then the lid of the cardboard box has an inspect point, and the click event is this script which is inspect reveal. You can create whichever script you want, and all that does is hide an object and reveal another. So in this case, when we click, it runs this event, which is it hides the lid and reveals the key. And then when the key is appeared, the key also has an inspect point, but you couldn't see it, wasn't obvious, it was just a collider. You can do the same, it hides the key, but it does a different bit of code, which just, you can do whatever else you want. It might be put it in your inventory or display it on screen, whatever it may be. So that's the basis of it. Now you can choose to have the highlights or not, or whatever you choose to do. So if you have any problems at all, do let me know via email and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And be sure to contact me via email, Discord, check out my other great assets on the Unity Asset Store. Be sure to check out my Patreon because it would really help me out. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.